Welcome back, guys. Today's recipe is really easy and quick. I'm going to show you how to use your Vibe blender to make yourself some sunflower milk. Sunflower milk is a great option for anyone who's looking for a dairy and nut-free milk alternative, and this one is super budget friendly as well. So let's get straight into it. So we're going to start with the sunflower seeds, and we've got 1 1/4 cups of sunflower seeds that we need to soak overnight or for at least 8 hours. And you do that just by putting them into a glass or ceramic bowl, covering them with room temperature water and adding a teaspoon of salt. These ones that I have here have already soaked, so all I need to do now is strain them and rinse them, and then they're going to go straight into the Vibe blender. Add your rinsed sunflower seeds to the blender jug, and then you can add 4 cups of filtered water, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or the sweetener of your choice. Blend it up on nut mode for around 40 seconds or until really smooth. This is all done blending now, and I'm just going to pass it through a nut bag. You could use some muslin cloth if you like as well, and this is going to give us a really nice smooth milk. Squeeze all of the liquid through the muslin cloth until you're just left with a dry pulp. So I've squeezed as much liquid as I possibly could into this bowl, and I'm just left here with that dry pulp that I was just talking about. Now you don't have to waste that. There's some really good tips on how to use that creatively on the blog, so we'll link that here. Now I'm going to get this sunflower milk into a clean glass bottle, and it can store in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. So there's our sunflower milk, and that recipe has made about 1 litre. A great alternative milk for those who need to avoid dairy and nuts. And like I said before, this one's just really easy and affordable. So give it a go at home and let us know what you think in the comments section below. And if you want to see more of our Lavelli Life recipes, including a bunch of other alternative milk recipes, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out. And if you liked this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll catch you again next week with another video.